Today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my favorite website, which is Amazon. It has a lot of great features to it, but one of my favorites is the Amazon Warehouse, which is where you can get deals on lightly used or returned items. So an example is if you were to look up MacBook Pro, they have some open box deals, and it depends on what has been returned or the condition it's in for the pricing. Another great feature is subscribe and save. So for household products like dog food, if you were to go on, you can see that you save a certain amount when you sign up for subscribe and save. So here it would be 10% off, but some places have up to 25% off. Also, a really convenient feature is having Amazon Prime because you can get deliveries in 2 days, so if you need something quick. And also, they always feature today's deals, so it's tailored to what they think you would enjoy. An example, foot massager, facial care items. But the more you shop on Amazon, the more it will be tailored to you. So that's about it, but they do have a lot of great features, and I recommend everybody sign up for Amazon Prime.